Pakistan receives most of its rainfall due to monsoon winds. Monsoon is a seasonal wind which starts or originates from a water body and it moves towards land. This wind is caused due to pressure difference in between sea and land. This pressure difference is directly linked with the temperature difference over land and over sea. As we have discussed previously, that the land heats up quickly and it loses its heat quickly. Water, on the other hand, does not heat up very quickly, thus there is a temperature difference. During the summer months, the land heats up and there is extreme temperature experienced on the land both in India and Pakistan. This extreme temperature causes the air above the land to heat up, as we have learned that the heated air rises up. When this warm air would rise up, it would leave behind a low pressure zone. This low pressure zone would attract wind from high pressure zone which is prevailing in the water body that is adjacent to this land. Now this water body, which is the Indian Ocean, it has low temperature as compared to the land, and the air above it is moist, it is dense, and there is a high pressure zone over the water bodies. So these winds start blowing from sea towards land. They blow from Bay of Bengal and they cross Bangladesh and India in a northwestern direction, and then they reach Pakistan. As they have crossed a huge area, they have crossed India when they reach in Pakistan. That's why they have lost most of their moisture. When these winds reach Pakistan, they hit the northern mountains. So it's the tail end of the monsoon system which affects the eastern part of Pakistan. As these winds hit the northern mountains, condensation takes place and rainfall occurs. So most of the monsoon rainfall occurs in the northern parts of Pakistan. These winds, after hitting the northern mountains, they move towards south as the mountains act as a barrier. When these winds move towards south, they have lost most of their moisture and aridity starts increasing. The amount of moisture starts decreasing in these winds. That's why most of the rainfall due to monsoon winds is caused in the mountains and towards the upper part of Upper Indus Plain. By the time these winds reach towards the lower part of Upper Indus Plain, such as Multan, and then they reach in the lower Indus Plain, they have lost most of their moisture. That's why they cause very less amount of rainfall in these areas. If we talk about the coastal area, the eastern part of Pakistan, in which we have the coastline of Sindh, we have Karachi and Thatta, these areas would also receive monsoon rainfalls if the monsoon system is overactive. It means during times when this monsoon wind is extreme, wind from Arabian Sea would travel towards land, that is towards the coastal areas of Pakistan. Thus it would cause rainfall in the coastal areas of Sindh as well. But it is not quite common. So we receive a little amount of rainfall during monsoon season in the coastal areas of Sindh.